she going?
So I prefer to wait here. Yeah, yeah. Nothing else to do. Because I'm sure then suddenly there's going to be a lot of people. That's that. And she's the official photographer of this place. So she will ask for commission afterwards. It's a class.
Apartment tour. Ah, this is a beautiful apartment. Oh.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and leave.
Cute.
I'm not gonna be
Slippers, slippers.
So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different now, I know. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do.
This is lovely. Pretty.
Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes healing up can make you grow. Can make you grow.
Okay, this is a shower and the floor. Okay, they need to do better. Okay, but this is how things are. But they need to do better. Can you see it's wet on the floor? They just clean the floor, and they have slippers. It's pretty. It's beautiful. Wow, this is lovely. So you want me to tell you something?
Yes.
When I came with Mama Julia, there was nobody else in the gate. It was just me and her walking in. And look at this. Lucaland, but inside their clothes it says Lucaland, isn't it? It says Lucaland. Oh. You didn't feel cold? Okay. I'm glad you slept well. Is this still sleeping? Okay. Oh, good morning, guys. Welcome back. I'm waking up in Riyadh. Yeah, I'm in this beautiful Airbnb in Riyadh. We arrived here yesterday. We went out. We went to, where did we go last night? We went to Riyadh Boulevard City, and today we've got tickets for the Wonder Garden and the Boulevard World. So we're just relaxing this morning, and in the afternoon we're going to be heading to the Wonder World first. They're opening at 4, and after that we're going to the Boulevard World, and yeah, after that we come back to sleep. Tomorrow morning we have to rush to the train station going back to the grind. I'm working tomorrow, so yeah, we only have tonight to do all of these things. But so far so good. We enjoyed the Boulevard City. It was the girls' first time to go to the Boulevard City. I've been promising them that I'm gonna take them there, but I waited until it's winter so that they can go to the Boulevard City together with the Winter Wonderland. I thought they're going to have the Riyadh Winter Wonderland this season again, but unfortunately I don't know what happened, so they've changed the Winter Wonderland to a Wonder Garden. But it's all good, everything happening during this winter season, which is called the Riyadh season. So yeah, we're just here for that, for a weekend before we're heading off to South Africa next weekend. So yeah, this is our last weekend here in the kingdom. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me again to the Boulevard World and the Wonder Garden. So yesterday, from the station, before we came to our Airbnb, because we were early for a check-in, so we went to Kingdom Tower and we went to the mall, look around, and we went to Zara. We found some, they had a lot of discounts. I'm even embarrassed to say that because I didn't go to do the shopping, but I ended up seeing one beautiful dress and I couldn't resist, so I bought it. This is the dress. It was $2.99 and I bought it for $1.69. So it's all good. It's almost, I think it was 45% off. So this is a beautiful dress. I'm gonna fit it in now for you guys to see. It's a summer dress. Yes, I'm not crazy. I'm not buying a summer dress in winter. It's winter in Saudi, but next week I will be in South Africa. It is summer in South Africa. So I got myself a summer dress. Yeah. So you guys, we are ready, waiting for an Uber. In 1 minute, we're going to the Wonder Garden, and from there we're going to the Boulevard World. Yes, it's winter. Don't ask me why I'm wearing a scarf. It's cold, and it was cold last night. So yeah, let me show you what I'm wearing. Girls, let's go. The driver is 1 minute away.